Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to factory reset your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to System and Update. Click on Backup and Reset. If you want to back up your phone, click on Backup and Migrate. Here you can clone the phone to another device or store the data locally. After you back it up, you can also add a Google account for backup. Click Reset Phone and click the red Erase All Data. It is checking everything. Enter the password from your lock screen. You can clear data but keep eSIMs, or clear everything. We'll clear everything. Click Clear. Now it says erasing. The phone is being reset completely. It is restarting as a fresh system. Everything is gone from the phone, 100% gone, nothing left. Factory resetting is for selling the phone or fixing glitches. Make sure you really back up your phone before resetting it. After the factory reset, you won't have the home screen or normal lock screen. You'll be prompted to go through the initial setup. Everything is loading up and you won't be on your home screen, so again, make sure to back it up. As you can see, we got the hello and everything is back to what it was. That's how factory reset works. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.